there and you took all your toys out. Do you have any more? You need to put it in? Is it in your mouth? You're crazy. Good job.
Yay!
Yeah. What other toys do you have in there? What's in there? Huh? What's in there? Do you have any more toys, or did you take everything out? Can we see? Oh, look. There's some toys in there. Yeah, good girl. What a clean girl. You put it inside. You gonna take one out now? Oh. Duck.
Oh, it's the red duck.
Duck.
Yeah, red duck.
There we go. Red duck goes with the other toys. What else do you want?
There's not much in there, Leanie.
Oh, you know what I like? How about this one? Would you like it? No.
Here, Lena. Do you want it?
Ball. 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 Ball.
Is that a ball? Ball?
What else is in there?
Oh, Lena.
Gentle. You be gentle, please.
Be nice.
No, you be gentle. Hi. Hi. Do you want me to look in here too? Oh, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Oh, your teething berry. Oh, you want it? Really?
Is that good stuff, Lena?
All done?
Yeah. Oh, wait, what's she going for now?
Blocks. Blocks.
Okay. Oh, she's coming for me with her hands full of blocks. Ah! Lena, you're coming to get me. All right. Hey, Lena. Hey, Lena. Lena, say bye-bye. Lena. Hey, Lena. Lena. Okay. Bye-bye.